What's up guys, got another video for you. Again, sorry about the delay in getting stuff up on this channel. Finding somewhere that we're not going to get into trouble or that we could go drift at legally is kind of difficult. That being said, me and Jay started something new about 2 weeks ago and we think that you guys may enjoy it and we think that it would work well on our channel. So we made a bit of a teaser video just to sort of show you what it is and get your guys' feedback, whether it's something you'd like to see more of on the channel. So here's a video, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll explain a little bit more at the end of the video. Enjoy.
Danny on the track, boys.
So as you can see, me and Jay have gotten into rear-wheel drive RC drifting. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and it's something you want to see more of. We would like to sort of do maybe some build videos, product reviews, things like that. Talk about ways that you can get into it for not a lot of money. Obviously we're going to be mixing in regular videos of the real cars, but this gives us another option for content for you guys to watch where there's weekends that we can't get out and go and drift. Let us know what you think in the description. Remember to subscribe, select the bell icon, and just let us know what you think, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, bye.